Alright guys, I'm here to show you how to take apart your Xbox to the bare bones. Um, First, you're going to need a size 10 Torx screw. Screwdriver or ratchet is fine. I'm using the ratchet version. Um, you need a knife or any type of other flat, sharp object. You need a screwdriver. Screwdrivers are always nice. Phillips. Make sure it's not too big, This size is fine. Um, Let me get my Xbox. Alright, so I've been tearing this thing down all day. Um, it's my Xbox. Normal Xbox. Alright, so first what you want to do is you're just gonna lift up down here. You can use that. You can use your knife, stick it in here. Pull up, lift off inside of your Xbox. Alright, now you have a notch there, there, all the way down here. Now before that, we got to take off this. Now mine are broken, so I just pull mine off. Yours, you're gonna have to find the little things that go down, and you stick something through, like a really skinny screwdriver or something. You stick it through here, and it should pop out. And you see, push these in through these holes. Throw that aside. Now you're gonna do the same thing for this side, okay? Now we're gonna get back to our little friends, little clips. Now what you guys want to do is make sure you spread this apart when you're pulling it, or it's gonna get stuck back in there. So see how I'm spreading mine apart? Same thing over here. You guys can see this. Alright, so once you've gotten all those off, you got these all open and shit. Now, it's not going to come off. It's going to go like this because it's stuck back here. Now, everybody says these are a bitch to get off, these little holes. What I do is take a knife, and you see these little notches inside of there? Little notches in there. Push those in, you should hear a really loud snap. Now, you start with this side first, your serial number. Suggest doing this on a flat table. Alright, so here. Snap. 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 now it should look like that. Um, this side next. Pop. Remove this side. Alright, now you're onto this side. It does not come off unless you take off every single one of these little bolts. On the outside only, and then these two. Now I'll mark them out for you guys, because people are stupid. You have one here, 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 and that should be it. Now, I already took mine out, because like I said, screws should look like that. And most of your screws will look like this. Alright, so now we're going to pull this piece off. Alright, now flip it over and should just lift off. Inside, inside. Alright, now your guys isn't gonna look like this because I took my let's put it back in for you guys. It's your induction hose, piece of plastic, whatever you want to call it. All you gotta do to take this out is stick in here with your knife, and then it just pulls out. There you go. Now your CD drive, to take that out, which I'm going to get to next, is you're going to pull these two wires out the back. You just pull that out. Alright, let's put this aside. It's your whole Xbox, by the way. Now, here's your CD drive. Alright. Not going to go too far into detail. If you guys want me to, just comment if you want me to, and I'll take this whole thing apart for you guys. So, there's your laser. Moves up and down. See, the problem I had wasn't reading discs, so I cleaned all the mechanic stuff in here, and then I happened to tear this ribbon right here, which is your laser ribbon, so it kind of fucked it up. Yep, that's it. If you guys want me to take apart anything else, comment it, and I'll post a video. Thanks.